I'm Rick Telly, CEO of Unique Pavers.
The type of services Unique Pavers provides are design, pavers, synthetic grass, and retaining walls. Our crews and I have been together for 12 plus years, experiencing all aspects of outdoor living construction, from pavers to complete outdoor kitchens.
We recently completed a project in Saratoga that was a referral. One issue was that his vision didn't quite fit his budget. So we took our customer's vision and we combined it with our ideas to create a more budget-friendly project to fit his needs. So we installed synthetic grass, a small retaining wall, and reinstalled his fencing, and he was so happy at the end of it that he gave us a 5-star review and referred us to several of his associates.
We are experts in our industry, transforming outdoor living spaces for 12 years. We offer a unique experience from start to finish, ensuring our schedules and timelines are met to deliver a quality project and a unique experience.
So be sure to give Unique Pavers a call for your unique outdoor living spaces and unique experience. Give us a call.